So I'm in the Canary Islands. I'm on the island of Fuerteventura. I've just left Morro Jable, which is on the south coast. I'm going to be making my way up through the island, up to the north coast. It's about 150 kilometers. I'll be following the GR131 for most part, but I am taking 2 detours off it, and I'm doing that straight away to visit some nice beaches and some nice sea cliffs. So hopefully in 5 to 6 days time, all going well, I'll be in the town of Corralejo. So let's see how it goes. So that's it, the sun has set. A fitting ending to a beautiful day. I'm set up here. There's a better spot just around the corner, but there was 2 people in it when I arrived, and as soon as I had set up here, they went home. But anyway, it's probably a bit more sheltered here. That's it, I'm beat. I've been walking for 12 hours. It's a route not to be taken lightly. It really is. It was tough going. You would really need a GPS, and even then. But anyway, an enjoyable day. So that's it. Yeah, I'm on my way to La Parade. Beautiful camp spot last night. Sound of the waves. But it took me a while to get to sleep. My mind was playing tricks on me. Octopuses coming out of the sea and stuff like that. But yeah, so start of day 2, La Parade, then on to Cardon, and then try to find a camp spot. So that's the view out through the tent door. Set up on the mountains just outside of Pajak. Another tough day. 28 kilometers. I think 10 and a half hours. Constant heat, constant sun. This island needs a forest or two to hide in. So that's it. I'm going to get my dinner now and go to sleep. Okay. So that's it, the sun is just up now. Tent is packed away. Another beautiful day for walking. Absolutely fresh, fantastic. Those stone circles are they're great. There's 2 more earlier on, but they were very small, so I'm glad I kept coming and discovered this one. So I'm on to Pajak, just down there. And then I'll be making my way to Betancuria, where I have a room booked for tonight. I like sleeping up in the tent, especially up high, but I like my bit of comfort as well, so I'll have a room for tonight. So, time to go. So I've just left the town of Betancuria, which is down below there. Nothing like a steep climb in the morning to get the heart pumping. Stayed in a lovely accommodation last night. Very friendly people. It's actually worth a stop. You know, you're sort of halfway through the trail, and you need to regroup and get clean. So that's it. So the next stop then is Bahia de Sentinels or something like that. I'll have to look at the map again. So that's it. Day 4. I'm just leaving the GR131 here now at this point and heading towards the coast to Las Malinas. So that's it, I'm set up here on the beach, 38 kilometers today, nearly 40. I had planned to camp further back, but when I checked the weather forecast, we're going to get rain tomorrow and Thursday, which is the second last day. So I didn't want to be caught out tomorrow, not on that coast, with the wind and rain. So I'm just going to have to play it by ear for tomorrow and tomorrow night. Anyway, for tonight I'm just going to enjoy this. Sun has just gone down, and yeah, it's been a beautiful day. So just leaving here now. You can see the rain clouds starting to come in out there. I've no internet here to check the weather forecast, so I'll check it when I get up on top and see what the day is going to go then. But yeah, a good night's sleep. Got very windy during the night, and we did have rain, and the sea came right up there, just to the rocks. Okay. Well, we're off to a good start. Oh my god, I didn't even get time to put the poncho on. Whew. Thank God for this sign. I'll stay here for a while. I think it's gonna pass. This is just in Laharas. It's been raining for the last 2 hours. It's going to rain until 2 in the morning. So luckily I found a place on booking.com. Last room left, so I took it. Just left Laharas now from the accommodation that I stayed in last night. The rain has eventually stopped, so I'm on the move early to try and catch a sunrise.